Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you about two mandatory things that you must know before creating a metapixel code. I hope you are willing to create a custom audience by using website as a source and you want to run ad campaign on those custom audiences. In that case, you need to generate a metapixel code using Events Manager. But before generating a metapixel code, you should do these two steps that I'm going to tell you in this video. The first step is to verify your business email address in Meta Business Suite. How you can do this? As you can see, I am into my Facebook account and I have already been switched to my Facebook page and I am onto my home page. So I will simply click on this particular page name. So I will visit to the profile page of the page. And then I will click on Meta Business Suite. If you know about the direct URL of Meta Business Suite, then you can simply open that. That is business.facebook.com. Else you can also go using this process. As you can see, I am into my Meta Business Suite. Now, how to verify email address in Meta Business Suite? Let me tell you. First of all, you need to click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you need to visit Business Info section. Scrolling down here, my email address is already mentioned. If in your Meta Business Suite, right, the email address is not mentioned, it means your email address has not been verified in the Meta Business Suite. So first of all, you need to verify your email address. If in your Meta Business Suite this particular email address is showing blank, then you just need to edit it and add your email address in this and just click on save. After that, you will receive a email on your Gmail or Ymail, whatever you have inserted over here. You just need to open that email and click on verify business email address button. And as soon as you click on that particular button in the email, it will ask you for the Facebook login. And as you enter the login credential and log in into Facebook, your business email address would get verified in your Meta Business Suite. So this one was the first step. Now after that, let me again go back to my home page. Okay, we are here. The second step that is mandatory before generating a metapixel code is to set up two-step authentication on your Facebook account. For that, what you need to do is you need to switch back into your Facebook account from Facebook page, and then again we are going to click on this top right corner icon and we will click on Settings and Privacy, and again on Settings. Here see more in Account Center. Here we have an option of password and security. Two-factor authentication we want to set up. We will click on it and then we will select our Facebook account. Okay, it is asking me to enter my two-factor authentication, right? So you can do this simply. Wait, let me enter my two-factor authentication code first. Okay, as you can see, I have entered my two-factor authentication code over here and I have clicked on continue button. So I have already set up two-factor authentication. If you want to set up, then you can set up using SMS or WhatsApp, or you can set up using additional methods or authentication app. So basically most of the users set up two-factor authentication using authentication app or SMS or WhatsApp. So you can set your two-factor authentication using any of them, right? So these were two mandatory things that you need to do before generating metapixel code in Events Manager. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website and explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.